Hello guys, I'm Irfan and today I'm gonna show you how to make the sprite go right, left, up and down. So let's begin. Okay, when we're gonna go to events, you're gonna hit when space key pressed. I'm gonna make it right because you need to our character go right. So you're gonna go to motion, put to the 10 steps here, gonna put the direction. Then we're gonna go to the direction, hit it, nice. Then we're gonna hit this, nice. Now our character can go up, right and left, yeah. So let's point it at the number 90, nice. Okay, now I'm gonna put the pointer direction 90. And you may ask why, Irfan, you need to put the point direction 90, because I'm gonna show you later. So we're gonna put the 10 steps here, then gonna put the looks, and we're gonna put 2 switch costumes, and you're gonna make one be custom 1. You know what custom is. Gonna go to custom, and our sprite have 2 customs. So gonna put custom 1. Now we're gonna hit control, then we're gonna put this wait 1 second thing, and we're gonna delete it and put 0.3 seconds. Nice. Now we're gonna put the switch custom 2 here. Let's see. Gonna go put a full screen and see. Look at our character. Nice, but there's an issue here. We need to make the time a little bit bigger. So yeah, make it bigger. We're gonna put it 5. Let's see what 5 is good. We're gonna go here. What is good enough? Nice. Okay, now we're gonna put it here. Nice. Now we're gonna copy this. Gonna hit that. Control C, Control V. Gonna put it, double it 2 times. Which is 3. Now I'm gonna put this here. Nice. Gonna put this left. What is left arrow? Here. Gonna put the down arrow and the up arrow. Nice. Now I'm gonna put the direction of this go up. Gonna put direction of the left arrow left. Then we're gonna put the direction of this go down. Okay. Nice. So let's test our character. Very nice. And that's for it for today's video. So I hope you enjoy it. And make sure you have a wonderful day and bye. I love you guys.